Hey everybody, it's Chris Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. Today, I want to talk to you about whether or not you actually have to follow the will or the trust. Before I get to that, I want to remind you, if you have any questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay, so I think 2 days ago, I made a video about something to do with making sure that people get the right gifts or how to do the right gifts. And I had somebody comment on that video and ask, okay, so what if you lay out how you want the gifts to go and then all of the beneficiaries agree that the gifts should go a different way? Do you have to follow the terms of the will or the terms of the trust? It is something I've talked about before, but it's an important conversation. And the short answer is this. Generally, okay, so I'm going to give you the legal answer, and then I'm going to give you what I think is the right answer, okay? So the legal answer is you'd actually, in Washington State at least, you don't always have to follow the terms of the trust or the terms of the will. However, you don't just get to willy-nilly just like decide that things are unfair or things should be differently or that grandma wanted, Fred to get the house, so he's going to get the house no matter what the will says. It doesn't really work like that. Okay, so, but there is a way to sort of fix, in quotation marks, the will or fix the trust or make sure that grandma's wishes are the way that you want. And in Washington State, you start that process with something called TEDRA. Okay, TEDRA. That's an acronym for something, but I can't remember what it is. I don't really do them because I don't reform wills and trusts like that normally. I try to make them so that everybody, so that the will and the trust says what the person wants when they die. So it's called TEDRA. Basically, if you can get all the beneficiaries to sign off, then you can present this information to the court, and the court has the power to reform the trust or reform the will to suit what everybody wants. Okay, so that is the sort of the legal answer, that it is possible. Okay, it's not always simple. There's a lot of steps that you have to follow, and then obviously you have to have the court sign off on that. So don't just go deciding whatever you want to do just because everybody's in agreement. You have to formalize that through a court process. Okay, now here's what I think about the right answer should be or is. It's my own personal opinion. So if you don't agree with me, that's okay. I won't hate on you. Don't hate on me. Okay, I think that when it comes to people's money and who gets it and who doesn't, I think it should be up to the person that has the money. So whether or not the kids or the beneficiaries or the heirs think it's right or wrong, it's not your money, okay? So I think I would want to respect the wishes of the person that died, and as long as they didn't actually make some sort of a mistake or forget someone or failed to update their will in the right amount of time or some things like that, then face some specific tax consequences or something like that they just didn't know about or that changed, then I would do my best to respect the wishes of the will, or respect the wishes of the trust, and carry out the instructions as they are laid out. We all think we're owed so much. We think that people should be giving us certain things and that other people don't deserve certain things. And in reality, it's none of your business. It's not your money. Nobody owes you anything, even your parents. They don't owe you a thing. So respect their wishes, do what needs to be done. But if you do want to change it, it is possible. Okay, it's called TEDRA, TEDRA. Google it if you want to know more about it. That's the answer. Okay, so that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you made it this far, thank you as always. And if you have more questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. All right, that's it, everybody. Christopher Small, owner of CMS Law Firm. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you again soon. See ya.